Hello friend, welcome to my new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Google Chrome on computer and laptop. So friend, before going further, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel. So let's start now. So for that, what we need to do, we need to open like any browser that you have. Like I have this Microsoft Edge. Let me open this. Okay, and simply you need to type on the search bar, on the address bar, www.google.com and hit enter. And on the Google search bar, you need to type here download Google Chrome like this. Okay, and hit enter. And here the first result will show Google Chrome download download Chrome today. Okay, you need to click here. Okay, and here you will see the option the browser built by Google. Okay, and here you will see the option that say download Google Chrome. Simply click on it. Okay, it's downloading now. Okay, so you can see Chrome setup.exe has been downloaded. Okay, so now to install it, what we need to do, we need to just simply double click on it. Okay, now we need to click on yes here. Now it's start installing it. Okay, now it's saying download completed. Please wait while the installer is verifying. So as soon as the Google Chrome is downloaded and installed, it will open itself. Now you can see Google Chrome is installed and open. Okay, and I will show you it on my desktop screen also. I think it created a shortcut also on my desktop screen. Let me show you. Okay, so you can see here, this is the Google Chrome that is I just installed. Okay, so this is how you can also download and install Google Chrome on your computer or laptop device. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.